everyone, in today's video I am up against Lex. Let's put you back there. Ooh, I get to load it. How do you feel about that, Lex? Ooh, one blink. Oh, ho. That's what I'm talking about, baby. You see, it's gonna be hard for you to beat me. And I know that that's Blink. You should know it too. But you see, I'll still win no matter what. I'll win. Just face the truth. Face the truth. I will be taking this, I will be doing that. You got lucky then. You know that, Lex. You should know that, Lex. You got lucky. If you shoot me, I don't care. Go on and shoot me. I see what you're doing there. And I don't like it. That's what I thought. Just another one of the 4 blink ones. Now there's only 2 blink. And since you have slow-mo, of course you can dodge it, you know? That's good for you. But you still won't beat me. Face the truth. You just used it. That's nice. Right at you. You can't use your slow-mo against me, your king. Whew. There it is. Go on and shoot yourself, see what happens. Good job, Lex. Good job. You're gonna face my wrath now that you've done that. You're going to face my wrath. I know that one's a live one. Whew, you got lucky there. You got very lucky. You see, I'm here to play. I'm here to play, Lex. You should know that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna load this. And, 3 live rounds, 5 blink rounds. That's good for you. Oh, you can't do it. I knew it. That's just great. That's just great. It's good. You're not getting by me. You're not getting out of this alive. That's what I thought. Oof. You can use your weapons however you want. Well, you're gonna scan it. Now you get another round. Yes, I see. I see what you're playing. I see what you're doing. You're still no match for me. It's my turn. I told you can't beat me. Well, the bad guys, I beat Lex.